Hello Martha, hello Katie. It's Mummy. Oh. Excuse me, didn't mean to burp. Just want to say thank you for all your video clips, they're brilliant. I like all the songs and everything, but the one I like the most is the cup song. Is the cup song #1, that's why. #2, you're both doing it together. You've made up the words, you're singing it to me, and you so mean it. It's really lovely. I've watched it a few times and you keep going. So I love you, I love Katie, I love Martha, I love your toes, I love your noses, I love your hair, I love your fingers, I love your bottoms, I love everything.
Yeah, the bottom wiggling.
So keep it up and thank you.